Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video of this Ninja Artisan outdoor pizza oven. Got it right here, let's get into it. So I got that, and then we got this right here. Let's actually flip it around just because it seems like everything is right here. So the presentation so far is really nice. Let's open it up. And then as usual, we are presented with the manual, and then we got a quick start guide right here. Let's put that aside. Let's remove these. Oh, let's actually get this right here. So this is a pizza stone. I really like how it comes with the pizza stone. I was like thinking, man, I need to buy one, but I guess not. So we got that. Let's now take this all out. Perfect. You just got silica gels right here. Just be careful. Don't break it open. And then we got the pizza oven itself. Okay, let's just lift it up. Not too heavy, but be careful. It does say it is heavy. And then you got your power cable. Ooh, look how beefy. And the cool thing with this is that because it's outdoor rated, you have a built-in, it's kind of like a GFCI, which is really awesome. So if moisture were to get into this, it's going to trip this. That way it doesn't damage the whole thing. I like that a lot. And then you could easily reset it right here. That is so sick. And then let's see. I don't think there's anything else in the box. It does not look like it. Nope, that is it. Let's put this pizza oven on top of this so that way we could get a better view. All right, so I got the pizza oven right here. They have a stand right here, pull firmly to open. You got the Artisan right here, pull down. Ooh, that feels really good and durable. Okay, so it looks like a lot of the accessories are inside, which makes sense, makes packaging significantly easier. Oh, actually, I don't even know if this is accessories, is it? Before pulling this out? All right, let's just open it up and see. We got a tray right here. That makes sense, so that way it doesn't damage the inside. And then that is it. So you got your tray if you wanted to use a tray, or pizza stone. And then this is how it looks like inside. Oh, that's really neat. And it also has the Ninja logo right there as well. That is really awesome. So that's how it looks like inside. Oh, I am so excited for this. All right, let's turn it around real quick. Nothing on this side. You got protective tapes right here. Let's turn it around. You just got that in the back, and then... Okay, so I moved it to my table, and oh my gosh, I didn't even realize this. This is freaking amazing. So you do have a few peripherals. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. So you got this right here. So you got your power, you got mode, light, you got your temperature, time, and then you have the whole display. This feels really good. That's nice. How about the buttons? That's really nice. And then you could change the mode to either pizza, bake, proof, if you want to proof bread, broil, and then warm. And then let's go see. So how about the other side? Nope. And then how about this side? That is it. Nice. So that's it, guys. That's officially how the Ninja Artisan pizza oven looks.